Welcome to MarineMax Fort Myers. Today we're going to walk through the 350 SLX from Sea Ray. This particular boat is brand new. We just got it in a few days ago. It's a 2020 white boat with white engines and a gray interior. Powered with 350 Verados. So we'll hop on board now, and as I step on the back platform here, you can see there's a ton of room. Great area for hanging out while you're at the beach, you're anchored, watching the dolphins. Just a ton of space. And one of the new things they've done with the 350 SLX is a different lounge system in the back. So you usually pop that up, now you have an aft facing seat. And you can pull the footrest out here. Just a great use of space. Very comfortable lounge. So we'll walk inside the boat now. There's sea deck throughout. Really soft, really comfortable. Great seating throughout this boat. Lots of social zones. The SLX has high-end fit and finish. A ton of stainless steel. Very plush cushions. Wet bar area with a fridge. Really modern, clean dash. The Simrads are integrated to the engines, so you'll have all your engine data on there, as well as your GPS, sonar, fusion link. Joystick boat. Port side has a little cabin. Plenty of room to get out of the weather, out of the sun. On the starboard side, we have a nice size head. Vacuum flush system with a sink. And again, just a ton of room on the bow as well. So if you'd like to learn more about this boat, please visit us at MarineMax in Fort Myers, and we'll be happy to show it to you.